See, for Taurus also, I have given these thing that we have already covered. Taurus sign symbol is bull. Okay, stability, holding, enjoyment, power, value building. These are the symbol meaning. And when you make predictions, you can use these things. So now see the Gemini, Mithun. This symbol is very simple. Okay, no complexity. Every symbol is simple. Okay, we have seen Aries means pickup accelerator. Taurus means overloaded truck. What about Gemini? Mithuna Rashi. So Mithuna, Gemini is like having two SIM cards in one phone. Okay, so these analogies you can remember easily. Okay, two SIM cards in one phone, one mobile phone, two network running together, two conversations, two plans. Duality. Mithun Rashi Gemini sign is a dual sign. So Mithuna, we also call it as a twin or couple. That's why you see two parallel lines, twins, couples. So Gemini sign is not only talkative. Now people say it is whenever you see Gemini, it means that those are talkative. No. Understand, Gemini is a mind working in the dual mode. Okay, that's why we feel they are talkative. Okay, they are comparing, they are connecting, they are pairing, they are exchanging. When so much things are happening in the mind, obviously you become talkative. You have so much to express. Okay, and Gemini people becomes a natural matchmaker. Matchmaker means idea with the people, product with customer, teacher with student. They know how to match, what to match. And you have this capability in some specific area wherever your Gemini sign falls. And if you feel you don't have that capability and you are feeling that you are having the opposite qualities, it means your Gemini sign is afflicted. Simple. If you don't have matchmaking capability in that area wherever your Gemini sign falls, it means that sign is afflicted in your chart. It's simple to understand. What is the function of the dual mode? Dual mode is only for the matchmaking. They can think in both directions. So when Gemini sign is active, life gives you two track event, two jobs, job plus some side income, two skills, two cities, two roles. Even if it is not outside, inside your what we call mind runs two different plans. That's why it is many people say Gemini in 10th house or 7th house, two business, two kinds of work. So duality is there. And another event is movement and change, both short travels, frequent meetings, networking, new contacts, new collaboration. And Gemini also give communication, writing, speaking, marketing, counseling, brokerage, negotiations. These are the basic qualities of this particular Rashi. Now, understand if anybody have afflicted Gemini sign or Mithuna Rashi, that particular Gemini sign shows half done pattern, half done. So this is important. Okay, half done patterns. They start something, okay, but they have to leave that particular thing in the half. Okay, you start many courses, but in terms of application, no application at all. Afflicted Mithuna, Gemini Rashi. Until now, like we are also discussing about the psychological pattern of Rashi. So for Mithuna, inside Gemini, they keep asking like, what else is possible? So it means choices make Mithuna Rashi feel safe. So choices are important for them. Rigidity kills the Gemini energy. So you should not become rigid in any matter, any idea, wherever your Mithun Rashi falls in your horoscope. You should have choices. Search for the more possibilities. You will see your Gemini sign flourish more better. You have to feed them, correct? What is the feed? What is the food for Gemini? Possibilities. gives them idea, different possibilities. The Gemini sign works more better. But if you become rigid in that area, now that is the problem with Gemini. Another problem with Gemini sign is if communication dies, if problem with the communication, if you stop them for the communication and all, then also Gemini sign becomes problematic. So conversation is needed, communication is needed. Okay, so till now what we have seen, half done pattern. Half done pattern is not good. Okay, you see the habit of Gemini people. Okay, Gemini sign is more prominent. Then you see in their laptop, computers, we have discussed it many times before also. Like many tabs are open. They save many screenshots. They save many links or link forwarded links, but they never revisit those tabs, those screenshots and all. Half done. They just save it. They think, okay, I will revisit it, I will do it, and they forget. Okay, multitasking is another problem. Due to this also, sometimes their work is undone or they do the half work. What is the multitasking here means? Snacking while working is very common. Now, spending is a small but frequent event for them. Okay, they don't spend like one go. No, they spend in small quantities, smaller amounts. Okay, like other Rashis, what is the Astrovastu thing for the Gemini? In your house, if Gemini sign is more prominent in your chart, then which part of your house is more important in that chart? Anybody? So let me complete this. Gemini houses shows cables, charger, gadgets, books, notebooks, pen, what else? Old documents, okay, your study area, north or northwest. These are the Mithuna. Now, understand if Gemini sign is afflicted, there is the information clutter. Information clutter means if you see your drawers, they are messy, random gadgets are not working. In your mobile phone, you see a lot of notifications, but you are not reading it. Okay, that is a symptom that yes, something is happening with your Gemini sign. Not good. So afflicted Gemini sign means your mental noise. Okay, that becomes your mental noise. And this is the most, what, 90% people have this problem. They don't realize it. You open your Gmail and see how much emails are not open. And some people also I've seen they have zero emails. So they are very happy. Okay, I don't have anything pending. Now that is again biggest problem because they never read it. They just delete it. So both are problem and both are Gemini issues. Okay, half done. Not reading emails. I also have 5,000, more than 5,000 email. So wherever my Gemini sign is falling, that is also somehow afflicted. 7th house Gemini. So I'm not saying, okay, go and read all emails, your Gemini is become good. No. Okay, that is a habit, that is a pattern. It is not a remedy. Because somebody is giving this remedy in Instagram. I like that video. So it's easy remedy. They are saying, okay, just go and check all emails. Read it. Done. You rectify to Gemini sign. No. If I'm saying, okay, you have messy chargers, which means your chargers are wire or what we call that mixed wires and all these things you have. That is a symptom that your Gemini is not good. So I'm not saying, okay, you go and untie them and keep them well, your Gemini sign is getting good. No. That is not a remedy. It is showing the energy, that how you manifesting energy in your surroundings also. If your Gemini sign is not good in your horoscope, so it means your aura or wherever you are living, okay, so that energy is impacting that area also. So that impact you see in your email. Right now, I can see WhatsApp messages, 223 messages are pending. I don't know how to read them. So that is the problem. Okay, so that is not a remedy, understand it. It means some energy is manifesting nearby me also. Okay, so whenever you do Astro Vastu or these kind of remedies, always remember it. These are not remedies. We are giving you just a hint. Yes, something is not good with this particular Rashi or with this particular energy. Gemini sign and Mercury, both are not good. So I have to do some remedies, direct remedies for Mithun Rashi and Mercury. Okay, you will see slowly, you will improve your habit of reading emails and messages. You become more quick and responding everything. You will see you start managing small items of Mithuna Rashi in your house. Okay, you will start taking care of gadgets and all. So these improvement you will see. And what is the karma, pending karma for Gemini? There are a lot of pending karma. Huh? But the important is, you know, like I told you, unfinished task is Gemini. Okay, so wherever a Gemini sign falls, you need to understand that one big thing you have to master. No need to master everything in that house. Okay, just master any one thing, that is enough. Because otherwise, a lot of ideas you have in your mind and you're not fulfilling any one of them. Just pick any one idea and work on that idea. Finish it. This is what we require. And what is a simple remedy for Mithuna Rashi? Gemini needs daily output. Okay, daily output. So I will tell you the simple remedy. Every day, write 12 or 15 lines. Okay, wherever you want to write, maybe notebook, maybe you can start blog. Don't share it to anybody. It's fine. Okay, give some random name that nobody can search on internet. It's fine. Don't publish it. Then also it's fine. But you have to write every day. 10 lines, 15 lines, 20 lines. Just write without editing. I'm saying it again. Okay, don't make edits. Right, wrong, no. Whatever you have written, return it. That's it. So mind becomes clean because it releases. So we need the activity that releases your mind. And Gemini releasing means they are releasing through communication or through words. As I'm saying, this is the biggest problem. Gemini sign is the biggest problem of today. This email messages, this is one example. Another biggest example, if you do consultations, you can realize it. So you will have a clients who just approaches you for the consultation only to speak. They have something in your mind. Okay, they have a lot of information. Okay, but nobody is listening them. And being a Jyotishi, you just listen them. Okay, they don't even care about what remedies you are giving. Okay, they will just tell you their problems and all. And sometimes they will also give remedies also themselves. You just have to approve it. Done. Your consultation is done. You take your money and then bye. You see the beauty of Gemini. They identify the problem. They give remedy for themselves. And being a Jyotishi, astrologer, you just have to approve it. Easy task. So you can take consultations for Gemini people. Okay, it's easy to deal with them. So I'm just joking. But the problem with Gemini is this is the same thing. So that's why the Gemini sign requires release. Correct. So your something from your mind, you have to develop some medium through which you can release whatever is in your mind. Okay, so best and easy thing is writing something. And if you don't have a habit of writing, then Gemini remedy is very difficult for them. You don't have habit of writing, you can't speak, you can't share. Then what to do? Then you have only one option: chanting, chanting of mantra. And for Gemini, chanting is more on verbal, not mental chanting. Verbal chanting is important. Understood, everybody? So Gemini sign, like Gemini is ruled by Mercury. So Mercury mantra you can chant. Om Bum Budhaya Namaha. So you have to chant it verbally. It creates more impact. So if you do remedy for Mercury, it will also create impact with the Gemini if you do it verbally. Okay, so Gopalji is asking what should be done with the journal that is accumulated from daily writing. If it is good, then publish it. Okay. Or if it is not good, then dispose it. It's fine. So that's why I'm saying it is easy. You just create an email ID, correct? Like universe is listening me at gmail.com, something like this. Okay. Or Lord Shiva is listening me. Lord Shiva listen me at gmail.com, something like this. And every day you just email to that ID. Write it, whatever in your mind, and just send it. Okay. So that Lord Shiva email ID also you have. You don't need to open it. It's fine. It is going there. Okay. So you will also feel, okay, somebody is listening me. Not somebody, Lord Shiva is listening me. So you are also happy, and that problem is also resolved of disposing the journal and all, because that is accumulating in that email ID, virtual email ID. And whenever you want to read that journal again, that ideas, you can open. That is your own ID. It's fine. So all problems solved. Okay. See, it is a Gemini sign, so you need to be a Gemini sign qualities. Okay, so if you use internet, email, that is more good. Google Docs, yes, Google Docs is also fine. You know, there is a book Secret, very famous one. So there is one method. I think author is saying you have to uh, imagine before you have it. So I have read many books on that topic. I have almost every book. I know in which Science of Secret or something like this. There's another variation of the same book, same topic. So they are in that book. Now they have given many experiments, like many applications of how to do it. Law of attraction, yes, how to do it. So if you want to have big money and all, so they are saying, okay, you just take a check and just fill it, some amount which you want in your life. Okay, just fill the amount and keep it, and every day watch it. So that law of attraction works like this. Something is a theory. The same thing you are doing here also. Okay, if you are sending some email, okay, to the universe or to Lord Shiva, you are doing the same activity. Okay, but in that case, you need to add some positive information in that email. Where Gemini sign is good for these things. Okay, so law of attraction, audio of secret book. Yes, anybody want to see this? They can watch. So for today, Gemini sign is enough. Okay, then take care. Good night. Jai Gurudev.
Thank you, sir.
Good night.
Good night.
Thank you.
Good night, Jai Gurudev.
Okay.